high. simpliRP has a unique cost monitor for top management. In the cost monitor, you can select a date range to check costs overruns. Here, simpliRP will show the type of items purchased and its percentage share in purchase values between the selected date range. Also, you can see the type of items sold and its percentage share in sales values between the selected date range. Here, we can also see the total scraps produced, total rejections and the total in-process rejections in the selected date range. Another very important feature of Cost Monitor is the purchase trend analysis in past 90 days. Here, you can see the buying price of a particular item has heavily increased in the past 90 days. This will help in keeping a tab on cost overruns. You can also click on the item type to view the detailed report. simpliRP is the easiest way to monitor, control and manage your organization.